Understanding neck cracking, benefits and risks.
Neck cracking works by releasing gas bubbles trapped in the joints, giving you that satisfying pop sound. It can help ease stiffness and tension temporarily.
But here's the risky part. If you twist too hard or at the wrong angle, it can tear or damage blood vessels in your neck. This might lead to blood clots that could travel to your brain, causing a stroke. It's rare, but serious. So, next time your neck feels stiff, try gentle stretches or see a chiropractor. It's better to stay safe than sorry.